What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is Monday, November 20th, and the market's really early on. They said we're in the red, but look at them now. Hell yeah, dude. I think we're going to hit 200K today. Happy birthday, me. So what's up, guys? Welcome back. It is, again, Monday, as I said. So the stocks are starting to rebound. I was really crossing my fingers today would be the day. Today is my birthday, and it's the 20th, and I hit 200K today. Hopefully we can do it. And I was looking at the stocks on the ticker thing on the bottom, and so far AMD, Applied Materials, Alibaba, Square, Roku, Google, GM, Apple, and Intel are all up. The only one I saw of ours that was down is Adobe. And then, of course, Macy's was up, which is bad for us because we have put on them. So I think overall, I think we'll be okay. Google is a big one because Google calls are so expensive. If Google goes up just a little bit, we'll make a lot of money. So that is awesome. Other than that, I think Tesla's down right now, but I haven't seen it. I checked on it really early, and it was down earlier. But so we'll see what happens later on today. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do some editing. Might do a live stream today, and yeah, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Dude, check out Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. That's insane. We really need to get into them. God. That's what happens when you wait on good opportunities, guys. Damn it. That sucks. Alright, anyways. Alright, guys. It is 9:27 in the morning. I'm drinking a beer because we hit it. Let's go to the tape and watch the live stream of the moment we hit $200,000. So yeah, here's JD's chart. Let's look at JD real quick. Oh wow, they had a really good start to the year. Actually, I mean all the way up until August. That's an insane run they've been up on. Jeez. So they were at $25 just December of last year. Wow, that's a really good growth. They're up 57% off of their low. That's insane. All right, let's see. Oh no! We did it! Holy shit! Oh, dude! We did it! We did it! Oh yeah, we did it! Cheers, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you so much. All right. Dude, when you're this happy, it doesn't even taste bad. Like, I haven't even had breakfast yet. All right, so you guys saw, I'm so excited. I just hope this keeps up. I really do. I'm crossing my fingers. I'm not trying to celebrate too much because I don't want to jinx myself, but you know how superstitious I am. So I'm just gonna finish this beer, have some breakfast. We got the construction guys coming over to finish tearing apart the deck in the backyard. Yeah, so well, I'm gonna do some editing too, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. One thing I want to show you is that Home Depot call, looking like it's pretty much in the money now. So I think now would be a really good time to sell. I might wait to see if Home Depot goes back up to 170, but because we were up like 33% last time I looked. So I'm going to keep an eye on this, and I'm probably going to sell this one because it's expiring soon. And then I'm probably going to just buy them back again. I have 10 calls, so I'll probably buy 10 calls again with a further expiration, maybe January 2019. And then with the extra money, I'm going to buy some more Tesla calls because Tesla is down today for some stupid reason. I don't think there's any good reason at all that Tesla's down. You know, a lot of people just are hating on them and don't like them and think that they're not going to pull through with their deliveries. But I think they're going to be just fine. So I'm going to jump on this opportunity and pick up some more calls. So let's see what happens. All right, what's up, guys? So we're at the 10 o'clock right now, and let's just see how we did. All right, so we actually lost money today, but it kind of sucks. We hit 200K earlier today, then we dropped right back down, and whatever. You know, I'm not too worried right now. I think a lot of stocks did very well today. I think good sign of days to come. So let's look at the trades again. Recap: sold Home Depot, bought Home Depot, and then bought puts on Abercrombie and Fitch, even though they're still going up. I still don't like them, and I'm predicting that they'll go down in the future, but whatever. It's also kind of like a hedge as well, because if stocks do go down in the future, like the market just turns and they go down, we'll make money from it. So it's kind of like a protecting from my very risky strategy of doing mostly calls. Anyways, let's look at our top winners. Home Depot did really amazing today. This is the one I just bought, so I apologize. I still profited though because we've got in at 473, so it's up 7 cents since we bought it. But let's look at some other good ones. Analog Devices, and I'm going to talk about them in a little bit. And then General Motors had a good day. Hemp Americana, which is just a stock, had the best day out of everybody. So lots of good performers today. I think all around today was a good day. The only one that hurt us was Tesla, obviously. People are still very skeptical about Elon Musk and his ability to deliver on his promises. And I mean, what else is new, right? I mean, like, this has been pretty much the story of Tesla ever since the beginning. And we all see how that usually plays out. And I think it's going to play out just the same way. I think the Model 3s will get delivered. You know, customers are going to be happy. Everything's going to be sunshine and rainbows. I know it's a very kind of naive thing to say, but I do think I think he's going to do okay. I think he's going to deliver on everything. People are going to be happy. So, you know, once Tesla starts having good days, this will all be green and we'll start having like even more insanely good days. So let's just look at our watch list here and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, so we got Hemp Americana on top. Abercrombie & Fitch had a good day. The Bitcoin ETF or whatever this is. And I learned from talking to Ryan today in the live stream that you pay a much higher premium for Bitcoin if you try to invest this way. So it's better to just own the Bitcoin outright. So I'm glad I talked to him about that because I did not know that. Micron, Analog Devices, yeah, lots of good stuff. Lam Research, yeah, a lot of retail stocks are actually expected to have a really good year or really good quarter with the Black Friday and stuff. So it's not going to be good for our puts. But anyways, here's the second page. Alibaba, man, what a solid performer they've been. They're just always green, it seems. Okay, here are the stocks that did bad, and then we got Tesla only down 2%. That's not bad. They were down a lot more, or they were down a little bit more earlier today. So I don't really think that's that bad. All right, so let's wrap this up. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about the four articles that I read because it's just a lot, and I don't want this video to be forever. But Hemp Americana Inc. announces production assembly to begin on its 200-liter supercritical CO2 extractor machine. Most of you, including me, probably have no idea what that means. So, I mean, they're extracting CO2. Obviously, that's what the machine does. But let me read just from what this article is saying. I think they have a manufacturer who's building them this machine. The manufacturer of its new supercritical CO2 extractor machine, the high-capacity device, is now in the manufacturer's production queue with a 60-day delivery schedule. And they're saying it sets up Hemp Americana to become the market leader for CBD oil extracting in the U.S. market. I think that's really the gist that you need to know for that. It's a growing market. They're saying it's a market recently projected by Hemp Business Journal to grow to $2.1 billion by 2020. And that's just the start of it, I think. I think it's going to grow to way more than billions of dollars. The hemp industry, whatever, and all this stuff as more research becomes available and more studies are done. Okay, Square will generate $30 million in annual sales from Bitcoin in 2 years, Credit Suisse predicts. And they raises its price target for Square shares because of its opportunity in the digital currency market. I think it's a huge opportunity for them. And they said, we estimate that if Square can accumulate 10 million Bitcoin buyers over 2 years, tracking the Coinbase's growth, this could drive an incremental $30 million in revenue. So yeah, lots of good stuff going on with Square. Let's move on. This article is titled Salesforce Analog Devices Lowe's Lead 7 Earnings Reports Tuesday, Investing Action Plan. I'll post links in these articles in the description below, but I'm kind of summarizing them now, so you don't have to read them, I guess, if you don't want to. But anyways, this one's talking about a bunch of companies who are reporting earnings this week. We got Apple iPhone chip maker Analog Devices named here, and that's the one that we're interested in. So let's look at that one. They're announcing the fiscal Q4 results before the market open on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. And analysts expect them to report a 31% jump in earnings per share to $1.37, with sales up 50% to $1.5 billion. They were among 3 top chip stocks that got a price target raised at Jefferies last month. And so the shares were up 2.9% today, hitting a 17-year high. Wow. Yeah, Analog Devices is killing it right now. They extended from a buy range after a breakout in September. Yeah, so let's move on. This last article is fund manager looks beyond the FANG FAANG stocks and finds even bigger winners in 2018. And so for next year, this guy is predicting not the FANG stocks this time. He's predicting he's not saying that these stocks will be bad next year, but he's saying that there's even better opportunities. Applied Materials, which we also have calls in, Lam Research, which we have calls in, and then Dollar General, which I don't have calls in, but they've been really solid performer lately. But yeah, Applied Materials and Lam Research, they make equipment used to fabricate semiconductors, and I think iPhone uses a lot of those materials. Applied Materials is a supplier of iPhones, and I think Lam Research is too. I haven't done a lot of research on them, but it says both companies are, quote, exposed to a growing area of the economy, Schroer said, and underlined his opinion that the large cap space, there's better value to be found in large cap computer hardware manufacturers than in tech service companies right now. So yeah, he thinks Applied Materials is a bit broader with its product offerings, but Lam Research's shares are a bit cheaper, and you can see that its sales were up more during their most recently reported quarter. Let me check, make sure we still got some time left. Okay, cool. Making sure I didn't run out of space. So anyways, yeah, that about wraps it up. Lots of news, always lots of news. You gotta stay on top of it as much as you can. Today was my birthday, so I wasn't reading a lot of articles. I was playing with my new mouse that I got. So really stoked about that. I'm really excited for it to speed up my editing. I'm really excited. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And to all the new subscribers that subscribed to me on my birthday from Ryan's channel and our live stream we did today, thank you guys so much. I know it'll be like several weeks before you see this, but I want to thank you guys. I'm so excited, and I'm really glad you guys watched. And thank you guys for commenting on that live stream. Thank you guys for showing your concern with the insane amount of risk I'm taking. I do definitely not recommend doing this. Like I said in the live stream, I have personal reasons for doing this high risk strategy, and I don't recommend really anyone doing it unless you have money that you can afford to lose. But, and I'm thinking of adopting a new strategy in 2018 where I take a lot smaller of my portfolio and do what I'm doing now, and then the other chunk of my portfolio doing stocks and dividend paying stocks and like covered calls, more safer strategies. And I think that'll help minimize the risk. So with that said, thank you guys so much. Hope you guys had a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow.